In video number 2, we have talked about two popular consensus protocols, which are proof of work and proof of stake. How do these two consensus protocols work? Consensus means agreement, and protocol means procedure. So, consensus protocol is a procedure to achieve an agreement. Let's look at proof of work. We can imagine it as a number guessing game. All the computers participating in the network are the players. In this game, a number is hidden behind a wall. The player needs to run from the starting point to the wall to make a guess. If the player guesses it wrong, then the player will get back to the starting point and repeat the process. If the player guesses it right, then everyone else in the network will follow his proposal. In these situations, the fitter the player, the more rounds the player can make, and the higher chance the player gets to guess the number right, as the players need to put in some words to earn the privilege. It is called the proof of work. What about proof of stake? We can imagine proof of stake as a lucky draw. Each participant will have to lock some fund in this game, and each unit of lock fund will earn the participant a ticket to the lucky draw. To get more tickets, the participant simply needs to lock more funds in the network. However, a participant with a lower stake could win the lucky draw too. You mentioned just now that the proposal from the winner will be accepted. What's in the proposal? It is the proposal of the new block. Every computer in the network will collect as many transactions as possible in preparations to forming a new block in the chain. The consensus protocol is the process of picking one of the nodes' proposal and appending the newly formed block to the chain. This is how the blockchain works without a central authority. It all depends on the algorithm. Both of these consensus protocols have a randomized factor. So the less fit player or the participants with less fun lock might still be the winner. This randomness brings fairness to the network and encourages more people to participate in setting up nodes to maintain the health of the network. Summary: proof of work relies on the computing power of the computers, while proof of stake relies on the amount of locked funds in the network. They are both trustable and each has its advantages, which I will discuss in other videos. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.